Hey guys, welcome back to my channel BONGNETIC, and I'm Pallavi with you guys again. So today I'm going to show a makeup tutorial because you can see I have no makeup on. So today's makeup tutorial is going to be a very simple one. Actually, it's going to be really soft look. So if you want to see how I create the look, so keep watching till the end, and if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. First most thing, I'm going to use a primer. This is the Colorbar primer, and I'm going to take a little bit on my hands, and then I'm going to apply it all over my face, especially on my T-zone because I sweat a lot on my T-zone. So I'm going to apply that on my T-zone. Is to my eyebrows, and the thing I'm going to use today is from Sugar, and it is their Arc Arrival Brow Definer in the shade Taupe Tone. It's really amazing. So I'm going to use this today and fill my brows. I'm going to use the Maybelline concealer and to conceal the areas from here and also my dark circles. This I'm going to use a Pro Art PF01 brush. It's a concealer dab on brush, so I'm going to dab it and blend it. This actually helps to define your brows really nice. And for my lid, I'm also going to use the same concealer. So I'm going to use it on my lids. And this one I'm going to blend with the help of a beauty blender. And I'm going to blend it right over here. And I'm going to set my eyes with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. So I've finished priming my eyes, and I've set my eyes for the eyeshadow, and now I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow palette, and from there I'm going to use this peach color right here, and I'm going to apply that onto my crease as well as onto my eyelids really nicely, because that is the only shade that I'm going to use, and probably one more shade I'll be using. So I'm going to start taking this color and tap off the excess and start blending it onto my crease. my crease is done, and now I'm going to take the deeper shade right over here and apply it onto my outer corner. I'm going to just apply it right over here and blend it onto my crease. So that it gives me a nice depth of color. So it gives me a nice like peachy kind of. The next for my eyelids, I'm going to take the white color kajal from Maybelline New York Lasting Drama Light Liner, and I'm going to apply it onto the inner corners of my eyelid, and I'm going to blend it with my hand itself, as well as I'm going to put it on my eyelids. So for now I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute eyeshadow palette, and it is in the shade Nude Beach, and I'm going to take the golden shade right over here, and I'm going to take onto with my hands and apply it just in the middle of my eyes, like tap on little. So that gives me a nice shine of colors, and I'm going to blend it with my finger. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. That's it, and I'm going to take now I'm going to take the bigger fluffy brush, blending brush, and I'm going to blend out the edge. So that's done for the eyeshadow, and now that's done for my eyeshadow, and now I'm going to use the Maybelline gel liner, and I'm going to draw a wink liner. So that's done for my liner. Let's jump onto my face, and for my face I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 Soft Tan, and I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand and apply it on my face and blend it with the beauty blender. Turn us to thousands. For my concealer, I'm again going to use the same Maybelline concealer in the shade Honey, and I'm going to cover my dark circles as well as my acne marks.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all.
So to bake my under eyes, I'm going to use the same Maybelline Fit Me baking powder, loose powder, sorry, and I'm in the shade light medium, and I'm going to bake my eyes using the same beauty blender.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And with the tint powder, I'm going to set my face using a powder brush. And I'm also going to dust out the powder, excess powder from here. So for bronzing up my face, I'm going to use the Palladio matte bronzer and curve my face out.
We haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song.
So coming back to the eye look, I'm going to take the same lip palette and I'm going to take this peach shade out here and smoke out my waterline.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Now for my blush, I'm going to use the Sugar Contour Day Force Mini Blush in the shade Coral Mix. It's nice peachy shade, and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheek. So now I'm going to set my face using this Loreal Infallible, and I'm going to set my face. And now I'm going to apply this liner onto my waterline so that my eyes look a little bit dried up. So for my eyelashes, first I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply the Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara, and also I'm going to apply falsies, so that I'm going to apply off camera and come back to you guys. So I'm back with my lashes on, and I'm going to use for my highlighter this Revolution sophx palette, and I'm going to take this pinky sheet here and put on my points of my face, and I'll just love this highlight. For my lips, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay Ink in the shade Lover. So guys, this is the finished look up here. I hope you like this look. It's a very simple peachy eyes and with nude lips with a statement neck piece. And this is my look. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like it, then don't forget to share with your friends and give a thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.